How to unblock Vinted account. So if your Vinted account has been blocked, and if it is a temporarily only block, right? So a temporarily blocked Vinted account will automatically be unblocked after a set period of time. Now a permanently blocked account cannot be restored, but you can contact Vinted to ask about the possibility of unbanning it. So you can come to your profile, go to the help center, and over here you can simply select a reason, your account and settings, and then you can go ahead and try to contact the customer support to ask them. But if it was a temporary ban, there's usually no need for you to do anything after a certain period of time based on how much Vinted has stated you to be. Then in that period of time your Vinted account will be successfully unblocked. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.